So this is more or less dry, and I'm going to add some more detail. I like to use three. Again, um, three is my favorite number, I guess. So I'm going to be using point 3, point 1, and point 0.05. Really small. And I just do. And again, don't worry about the lines matching up with other elements. It doesn't matter. You can use whatever patterns you want. It's all good. And every so often, look up. That way, your eyes have a chance to refocus. Because every so often, I feel like I'm getting cross-eyed. I like to combine geometrical elements like these, and then also more or less organic stuff. And although this is on this side, I'm going to change up a little bit on the side over here. Because I can, as well as you can change it up. These pens are looking kind of good. Let's see. And if you go over like this, you can just extend it and incorporate it. Just have fun. So if you like this video, if you want to be notified when I do another upload, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification. That way you will be notified. So I like to include faces, kind of my stylized faces. Because it's a generic face, and basically, okay. And unless you are looking for a face, sometimes, depending upon how I do it, you'll never know. I like to hide things in my doodles. I think it's a cool experiment for me. And people generally like discovering things on their own. Okay. Cool. Hold on 1 second. I'm gonna get out another color. Width. Go with the 1. That one? Okay. And I'm going to add some black. Solid black. See, I told you I don't know what I'm going to do before I actually do it. So I'm probably ruining it, but that's okay, because everyone is an experiment. It's going to take a long time for me to process it and upload it. So I added all this black because of that one. But Okay. Now the next I want to do is have a little bit of metallic. So I'll be back when I get the supplies. So I'm going to use Signo Gold, the silver, and then the white. I like Signo. So let's prime it a little bit. Okay. And silver, I'm going to here. In the black crescents. Hopefully you are able to see it all. It's going pretty good. And the gold. And here I want to do that. So the white's not really coming up as I want, so I'll be back. So I am going to use a little bit of Deco Arts holographic illusions. It will be a good test to see if the ink is good or bad as far as with watercolor. And I've never done this before, but I want to include in here. Kind of shimmering effects for the window. Well, it doesn't appear that the ink is smearing, which is good. just may include this technique with other stained glass windows I do, or doodles. And it's not disturbing the watercolor beneath, which is always a good thing. But make sure you clean your brush out really good after you apply it. That way your brush isn't constantly having glitter throughout your various pieces. So do you see the shimmery That's nice. I like it. Well, I hope you have enjoyed the video and got inspired today to play around with your art supplies. And I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.